Do I throw enough before we start the video?
Let's go! I don't even know how to start. What is that?
Oh, don't worry about it. Starting right here.
Can you break one for me too?
Ooh, baby.
Break one for me, Jay.
Come on now, you gotta be a savage. I can't be doing everything for you. Shit.
Come on, man. Let me take this one.
Look at my prestige. Get it.
Yeah, thank you.
I don't be interrupting the eating.
This is prickly. Ooh, it hurts. Yeah, y'all. Look at this.
That was supposed to be mine.
Move your arm. Eat what you love in.
Oh my God.
Man, you.
It's been a while.
Come on, man.
Since you've been away. Ooh, messy.
Oh, my lipstick about to be all gone.
I don't even know why you put that jack on.
Me either. I just want to look cute for the video. You know what I'm saying?
See what I got inside this Frizette.
This tastes so good.
I'm still recovering, y'all.
So she might be a little annoying for this video. We do have lemon and lime, but
I'm gonna use them. I put some in the sauce already, but I'm gonna still use
yeah,
it.
I can taste it. That's why I'm not putting so much on. Woo. Sorry, y'all. This is gonna get messy.
Damn, that shit hurt.
Yeah, that prickly thing. Told you. So let us know what you guys are eating with us. Ooh, shoot. Yes, Lord. I be getting all my pieces right.
I'm a little happy.
I don't know why you didn't just turn that off. So I've been telling Jazz, y'all, because let me tell y'all something. I love seafood. Like, ever since I was a kid, when my mama was pregnant with me, all she craved was fish and salad. Fish and salad. And even when I was little, a little kid, all I used to want was just fish and salad. I was not the typical little kid that asked for french fries and potatoes and all this other stuff. All I wanted was some fish and some salad. I killed for it. So,
is something in the bottom?
I don't know.
Does it hurt?
Yeah.
It is.
There is.
Yes.
So, I got so excited tonight. I was like, Jazz, I've been craving some damn king crabs. Woo.
Might taste the shrimp.
Yo. Baby, this sauce is bomb too.
Yeah. It is. Just a basic little sauce that I like.
What's in it? Tell the people.
I have butter. I have of course butter. Hot sauce, Cajun seasoning, Obey, garlic powder, lemon lime, all that stuff.
It's good.
I didn't do that.
What was y'all favorite food growing up, y'all? Because I know for a fact mine was fish and salad. My mom thought I was weird.
I don't know what mine was. Mine was everything. I was greedy.
You was greedy?
I was picky though.
You can't be greedy and picky.
I wasn't really greedy. I was just picky.
Well, we know Jazz don't like no seafood, y'all. Jazz did not do seafood. I mean, not seafood. Soul food.
That's what the fuck I'm eating.
No, she don't do no soul food. She don't like them. She's weird.
I don't like all that. That shit.
Which one mine? This one?
It don't matter. We just eating.
Whew. Yes. I'm in heaven right now.
We've been eating off the same one, so it don't matter.
And one time my mom had made me some fish. But you know the fish that has that damn, what is it? The little spikes in it?
I didn't really like fish like that.
I don't like
because it was slimy.
Oh, slimy. Ooh, look at this big piece, y'all.
It is big. Damn. Need some gloves with them, alright.
I think that's why you've been seeing.
Bring some goggles. That bitch at a workshop.
That was delicious. That top part.
God damn. Ooh. Get them on.
It's hard and prickly. That's the only, I think that's the only downfall. Because I don't be trying to get all these spikes.
Yeah, fight. He ain't gonna be swallowed like a fucking starfish in the morning.
They're trying to eat whatever we drop.
They better go. They think a whole bunch of shells go. Pass out of there.
Woo. I think that's the hardest part of eating this joint. It's just the damn prickly stuff.
Yeah.
Ooh. But it wouldn't be a crab if it wasn't it.
I want this big thumb.
Baby, you dropped...
Huh?
What you drop in here? A shell?
Oh.
You crazy.
That, no.
Ooh.
I remember.
I don't know why this one not working.
Yeah, we just soaking up the moment. We just enjoying this.
Yeah, we really are. Like, it's really good. But see, here's the thing. Where we stay at, they give us smaller portions. Like, and down south, when we first had these joints, we actually bought them from Public. Okay. Thanks, Jess.
Down sausage is better.
Down south, where my parents stay at, we have bought some, and we have Public steam them for us.
We had a lot.
But see, no offense, but it was a black guy. He was so nice. And he was like, what y'all want? Y'all want the spice and this and that? He cooked it real nice for us. And he was very generous. He gave us a good amount of it. Here.
Whoa.
I paid, I don't know how much, almost $50. Ooh. I think my face is covered in this joint. Is my face got?
Uh-uh.
Oh, okay. We had went to another restaurant to go eat some crabs. But it was little as hell.
She's talking about the little snow crab.
Yeah, a little snow crab.
All that work for nothing.
For a little.
You know what I'm gonna try to do? I'm gonna put lemon on the thing because I see Beloved Woods and she said it's good.
Lemon on what?
That lemon rain.
It is good. When we had went to that restaurant, I put that lemon on it. Ooh,
They butter the sauce.
Yeah. One of the things is, if y'all gonna sell crabs, your butter gotta be on point. Their butter tasted very oily. Like I was eating some oil or something.
Yeah, I like that. Yeah.
I'm gonna need you to get some good butter.
That was horrible.
We ain't gonna put their name out there like that. Because they're still a restaurant.
You know.
Baby, spray some in here. Come on. Yes. If I can even get it out.
Here's some shrimp.
Mmm.
Isn't that shit good?
Hell yeah. Let me tell y'all. Since we've been vegan for so long, we were literally vegans for a year and 5 months or something like that. All we had was vegan food.
Don't get it twisted. We going back though.
Yeah, we are going back. But yeah, I think if I was to stick to, I think white meat and seafood, that's all I really want. Because the other food, like hot dogs and all that stuff,
no,
they're disgusting to me. And I never really had them growing up anyway. I never really had stuff like that.
I did. We used to spice some things up in hot dogs.
For real. Well, Venezuelan hot dogs, if you ever look them up, they are really good. But
y'all meat not like ours, is it?
No.
Well, listen here.
You just discovering shit. This one is hard. I can't even get this one. I don't know what to do.
Did all that shit for nothing.
Is your scissor helping you? Cause mine.
Man, these scissors ain't doing nothing.
Oh, and I just got my nails done.
Oh, there's some meat in here.
Yeah, babe, you gotta crack that shit. It's just hard to do.
Damn, Spike. They should have offered these with gloves.
They really should have.
Little big rubber gloves.
Okay.
I'm sure.
I didn't know we gonna get messed up. Oh man.
Ooh, shit. I got a surprise.
What surprise you got?
This.
I can't crack this for anything. I'm really trying. Oh shit. My hand's gonna be tore up. Come on, little buddy. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, this is good, y'all. See, y'all? Hard work pays off.
These scissors dull as hell. Come on now.
Let me get some lemon over there.
Get it. You see I'm busy? Damn. Let me be great. I want to be great. She got her whole little sleeve open. These things are killing me.
Yes, 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 yes. When you take your time on something, man, I promise y'all, the result is way greater.
She always gotta give a speech.
I'm just, really? You love my speeches, though. When I don't give you a speech, then you be like, what the hell going on?
That thing was good.
You look good. No, that one's mine. You don't eat so many of them. That one can be yours.
This was originally my crab.
Girl, bye.
Yes, no.
No.
It was.
Ladies come first.
What the fuck am I? What the fuck is wrong with this girl? Woo! She just deboed my crab.
I'm having a blast.
It's okay.
Ooh, I love that shit.
It's okay.
It's okay.
You stole my crab. You
want some, baby? You can have some. Because I'm getting kind of full anyway.
That look awful. That looks real terrible.
Come on.
Yeah, you trying to make me look like I'm sucking something.
Sucking something else tonight. Mmm. That's good, bro. I swear, y'all. Woo! Yes.
Yeah, Lord. Mmm.
This sauce bomb too, though. Babe, next time though, we should get like.
Damn, feel good. Mmm. Let me see something.
What you want to see?
This right here. Let me tell you this right here. Whatever they say.
Is it weird or the different parts of the crab taste different? Is it just me? It's probably just me.
I don't know.
Like the claw tastes very different.
Maybe.
Tastes more fishy and I don't like that. I don't like that really fishy taste. I don't know if that.
Yo, oh, can't take it.
You know what I'm saying?
I get nauseous. Yo, y'all ever did this when y'all was little? Get mad when your hamburger used to fall apart? My sister used to get mad every time my hamburger was like, my hamburger fall apart again. I'm like, man, I ain't that big for it. It's gonna fall apart in your mouth. They pick it up and fix the hamburger.
She used to get mad.
Yeah, she used to get mad her hamburger would fall apart. Really?
That's cute.
You sitting at the table pounding. I'm just eating my shit. Oh!
You like hamburgers and pizza and shit. You really do.
I slow down though.
You have, but you do love that shit.
I love pizza.
Damn, Jess, we gonna be sleeping in damn
Shells.
shells and shit.
Ooh, y'all like that bird? Bitch open.
But how many you had? Cause it
We
looked
were
like
sharing.
it looked like you
You
had.
switched, you switched crabs with me, so we all good.
Oh shit! You just filling me up with shells and shit.
Ouch! Woo!
Yeah, next time we should have some more because I love this shit. Honestly, if I go hungry the whole day and eat a whole bunch of this, I'll be fine. I swear I will go hungry a whole day just for this.
You go hungry the whole day anyway.
I really do. I don't like eating throughout the day. I like eating like at night. I
That's
really
bad.
I know it's bad, but I just only like eating one meal. I don't like eating multiple meals. I'm weird. Ooh, let me get some of this shrimp. These little bastards, they just shrunk up. But you know what? The fresh shrimp that we got, the white one, is a lot better than this one.
Okay.
Baby, that's not fair. You had so
No,
many.
these were mine. You took the other one, remember?
Can we share that one?
No.
You were bad.
When I open it, yeah.
Oh, thanks, babe.
See how she steal my real one? These were two of these were yours. But you stole my crab, so I shouldn't give your ass.
I gave you a little bite.
I'm gonna give you a bite. I just gotta open it. Whatever that be.
Yeah, because them bitches.
These motherfuckers. Oh.
You need some special gloves for that.
That sharp this shit is. All them spiders. I'm still don't even want to open this. Damn, I'm burping a lot. I don't never burp.
Whew. Damn, we got a mess over here.
Yeah.
Thanks, babe.
What's your bite?
That's fine. That's all I wanted.
Oh. I might not get into this. This is ridiculous.
Here, I got you. Give it to me.
No, you don't.
See, the claw tastes different. Did you taste it?
It tastes different.
Tastes the same?
I've been eating crab since forever. So I was little.
When you started eating crabs?
Little.
For real?
No, this ain't new to me. Just because
Yeah.
it's on YouTube, I don't mean that.
When, I actually did not taste the crab
I'm
until...
from Florida. All we do is crab balls.
That's true. But, I never had crab until I met Jazz.
But it wasn't snow. It wasn't king crab. No, it was like blue crabs.
Yeah, it was blue crab.
The crab with the eggs. And
I didn't even know how to open it. They was laughing at me.
Sorry.
I was like, yeah.
I might not get into this damn thing too sharp. Let me try this in. Says it don't even work for this bitch. This is crazy. Wow.
Let me get it for you, baby.
How you got it? How you gonna get it?
We teach ya.
Can't teach me nothing. See, I got it.
Alright, good job. And the process is all over your leg. Way to go. I know I'm gonna sleep good tonight, baby.
This hurts. We're gonna get this video out for y'all for sure. And the other one. Ain't that right?
Yeah. You throwing shade? Cause I can throw some shade back.
I thought shade, this is how you taking it. You taking it? How you taking it? What's going on with you? This a crab leg down?
Oh yeah.
I just don't understand this shit. Wow. It's dangerous.
Whew.
Whoa.
One thing about crabs, if you have if you go to a restaurant and you have crabs and then you leave the restaurant, you guys go other places, you gonna smell like a fish the whole damn time.
I'll tell you the trick.
What's the trick?
Rub lemon on you.
You rub lemon.
On your mouth and shit.
Oh.
Duh.
Duh for you.
I've been eating them forever, so that was a trick.
Alright, dog. Everybody know you've been eating forever.
I'm just telling you, damn.
Shit. You cocky
Can't tell
ass.
her nothing.
No, because she keep repeating herself.
No,
like
I'm
an old
telling you.
person. Damn.
She's just mad because she haven't been eating them forever. You've been missing out, so. What's that?
I mean, it has some pretty good stuff.
You had sushi and shit, niggas want to eat no sushi.
Mahi mahi.
I don't know what that is.
Type of fish.
I don't like that. Oh, I have one left.
That one's mine.
No, it's not. Because I didn't open it from the beginning. Ain't nothing in there. Everything hurts. You got a lot of shrimp to eat, though.
I'm about full. I was just fucking
Eat
around.
them shrimp. I don't like this white stuff. What's that, fat?
I don't know. You've been eating it forever.
No,
You should know what the...
I'm talking about blue crab. I had to use it
No.
not so often when I was little. Yeah.
King crab is good. I think I'm done.
I think she's done.
We got a whole mess.
It's the worst part, cleaning this shit up. I'm gonna hire somebody to clean this up.
How's to clean?
I need some shells. You clean this up for me. Marinating shrimp.
Yeah, when we marinated the other ones, they tasted so much better. I mean, these are good, but they're not.
These are better to me.
To you? Jess and I have different tastes. Like, I really like.
I mean, shrimp is shrimp.
Not
It's because
to me.
it's because we did whatever.
I like the other ones better.
Because you put all the seasoning on. Just seasoning. Tasting shrimp without seasoning.
They still tasted better. I like white shrimp. This is like jumbo.
Oh, that's what you're talking about.
Yeah, I like white shrimp. Whew. I am stuffed.
Mm.
But anywho, so while she eating,
That's a story.
I'm going to be making sure that we get an Apple computer soon, because we have been struggling with this damn HP computer to try to edit. It's not working. It's really not. And like, we have the hardest time, because if y'all watch her like real like early videos, y'all will see how good my editing was. Like, I used to put my all into editing. Even though the program was always slow, like, so when you edit it, like, the voice is faster than the actual video.
Oh.
So I used to have to, like, always.
Don't think that I'm young.